Services offered by our branch. Our branch members represented in both state and national level and showed their strength. Like Dr. Ravindra Reddy sir and Dr. Sandeep Singh Yadav sir and Dr. Neel Ramchandra sir and all seniors. I would like to invite our IMA President Dr. Jeevan Rao sir onto the dais. I would like to request Dr. Kiran Okerla, please hand over bouquet to our beloved IMA President. Dr. Srihari sir, please hand over bouquet to our IMA National Vice President, charge of IMA National Vice President. It's a great honor to Nizamabad. Thank you sir for encouragement and blessing in my tenure. I would like to invite our dynamic treasurer Dr. Rashid Ali sir, please come on to the dais.
Our big brother, guide, mentor, GSMC Chairman Ravindra Reddy Garu, our dynamic Vice President elect.
You have forgotten old name. Captain, that name you have forgotten.
He is captain to all, but elder brother to us. Our Vice President, all this level, because of them, very good things in all those meetings. And also, I invite and welcome the incoming team headed by Chairman Dr. Vinod Kumar Gupta, Secretary Dr. Ajay Srinivas and regular Ramaneshwar. We wish them and we request them to improve it further, to complete all the leftover works of this building, whichever is required. And I am sure that they will do it with ease. Because I thank all the donors who contributed generously for the renovation of the building and procurement of equipment for this IMA hall. You are seeing it now. And there are many contributors. I thank all of them. During our tenure, we got very good support from the Government Medical College under the able Administrator Principal Indira Madam. Also from Government General Hospital Superintendent Dynamic Pratima Raj Madam. Our health administration from BHM side. And we also had very good support from the Revenue Department, the District Collector, Police Department, Municipal Department and Panchayat Raj Department. We got very good support from our urban MLA, Vigala Ganesh Gupta garu, MLC Kalvakunda Gupta garu, and Minister Prashant Reddy garu, and all other public representatives, Deputy Chairman. For any association to be successful, unity and discipline is most important. So let us all be united in our efforts to uphold the image of our association, our profession in the society. I appeal to the youngsters because their involvement is more important. Every time all the senior most people, they are attending from the beginning. We require more and more involvement from the youngsters, younger generation. They are not seen, and I appeal to the incoming body to take care of those things, to see that they are involved, they actively attend the programs, all the programs. And punctuality also one thing. From the beginning we have been telling, be punctual. But till now, till the last meeting, the same thing. No, at least by 8:30 we are supposed to start. Whatever time we put, they are attending at 9:30 only. That should be improved because early to start, early to finish. Let us start the programs early and finish it. We end up by 10:30, 11 o'clock, that will be better. And you should try to bring it back to that stage. And for youngsters, I will give an example. If they take the example of our GSMC Chairman, Ravindra Reddy sir. What this is, he is doing so many activities. Tomorrow morning he will be in Delhi tonight he is leaving for Hyderabad and going to Delhi to attend MCI meeting. And he attends district level and Hyderabad any meeting, everywhere, anytime. So that they should be inspired by his activities and they should take him as a role model. Similarly, our dynamic Vice President Director Kavita Reddy, as you have seen, they have set a very good trend when we took from them. That we continue. We worked under the advice of our seniors and we done. So the future generation also, investors, more and more investors, they should be involved and they should strengthen our association, because strength of association is more important, because for any association to achieve something, it requires a good strength. And I request all the members to promote the membership growth, to make the non-members, motivate them to become member of IMA. And on this occasion, I appeal to all of you to attend the forthcoming conference, that is state conference on 30th in AIG, Hyderabad. I request a good number of members from our branch. If the number is more, we are going to arrange a transport on Sunday morning. I feel sorry if I hurt anybody in my tenure for the past 2 years, either knowingly or unknowingly, and I am happy that I have completed my term, I think successfully, in my satisfaction. With these few words, I once again extend a warm welcome to this general body meeting for all. Thank you.
Respected IMA Nizamabad President Dr. Jeevan Rao sir, IMA National Vice President elect Dr. V. Ramendra Reddy sir, and today's election officer Dr. Kavita Reddy madam, and IMA Nizamabad Vice President Dr. Rajesh sir and Dwarka Devi madam, Joint Secretaries Dr. Harish Swami and Dr. Aruna madam, Dr. Kiran Madala, and President Dr. Rashid Ali sir, and Executive Council members, all committee members, senior members, and colleagues. Warm greetings. I would like to present General Secretary report in brief. It is a matter of great pride and honor to present to you all the annual report of the most vibrant branch of IMA, the IMA Nizamabad. It's a happy to share that this year also our branch was selected as the all-round best branch award in Telangana state. And all the credit goes to the most dynamic president with his vision, and all office bearers, executive council members and committees for the dedicated service to the society in spite of odds. And condolences. IMA Nizamabad deeply mourns the sad demise of the following members. Our senior Dr. Jalpat Rao sir, and senior Dr. G. Masuran sir, and Dr. Akhilesh sir, Dr. Avinash Subedar, Dr. Shubhal Subedar madam, and Dr. Suvarna madam. We pray the departed souls lie in eternal peace. And total members of our IMA Nizamabad branch till today 368 members. This year new members were joined 20. On behalf of IMA Nizamabad branch, I will welcome you all to the prestigious branch of IMA Nizamabad. IMA Nizamabad, we have conducted 4 EC meetings, and we have conducted 3 building committee meetings, and conducted 5 CMA programs due to COVID restrictions, and individual achievements and awards. It's proud moment to all of us. Dr. V. Ramendra Reddy sir is elected as a Vice President elect National IMA. So give a big applause. And Dr. Kavita Reddy madam is elected as a Vice President elect IMA Telangana Zone 2. Give a big hand. And Dr. Neer Ramchandra sir received an award from President of India, Mr. Ramnath Kovind, for his excellent service in Red Cross Society. Give a big hand to him. And IMA Nizamabad branch President Dr. Jeevan Rao sir and myself received 2 awards from Telangana State Body on occasion of our Doctors Day on 1st July 2021 at IMA Hall, Koti, Hyderabad. And other achievement, Dr. Srisharam sir elected as the Executive Council member of Indian Academy of Pediatrics Society. Give a big hand. And Dr. Santosh Chitimila has appointed as one of Section Editor in General of IMA Telangana State Branch. Give a big hand. And one more, and in this year we have received 3 national awards. One Presidential Appreciation Award for Dr. Ravindra Reddy sir, and myself and our branch received the GC Chandra Bose Reloading Trophy Award at national level. So it's a great goes to our IMA Nizamabad branch. And I would like to take 5 minutes because many donors have contributed different items and cash. So just sir, only 5 minutes. So Indian Medical Association Nizamabad received many donations. Thana Nizamabad and we have received from Dr. Meenakshi Madam and Dr. P.V. Ramakrishnan sir and APA Nizam. We have received 3 lakhs rupees from Physicians Association of Nizamabad and received 2 lakhs rupees from Indian Academy of Pediatrics Nizamabad branch. Noga Gynecology Association, they have contributed 2 lakhs rupees and NOSA and ENT Association, they have contributed 1 lakh rupees and Dr. Shanti Reddy sir and contributed 1 lakh rupees and Dr. Raman Rao sir contributed 1 lakh rupees, Dr. Indrakan Reddy, Dr. Lakshma Reddy sir, Dr. Karishma Reddy, Dr. Sandhya Rani madam, Dr. Jaini Nehru madam, Dr. Rammohan Rao sir, Dr. Maipal Reddy sir, Dr. Ram Manohar Reddy sir, and Dr. Jalpat Rao sir, Dr. Raghunath Rao sir, Dr. Madan Mohan Rao sir, and Dr. Babu Reddy sir, Dr. DLM Swami sir, Dr. Narayan Rao sir, Dr. Samashiva Rao sir, Muttanga sir, and Dr. Gangadhar sir, Dr. Kaule sir, Dr. Hariprasad sir, and K. Gumareddy sir, and Jeevan Rao sir, Sandharani madam, Subhash sir, Vidyasagar sir, and recently Dr. Surendra Reddy sir has contributed 50,000 rupees. So please give a big hand to Surendra Reddy sir. And Dr. Vidyasagar sir, Dr. Indoor CT Scan and MRI Center, they have contributed laptop for our CME programs and audiovisual equipment donated by our IMA Zone 2 Vice President Dr. Kavita Reddy madam. Give a big hand. And Dr. Kishore Reddy and Hope Hospital team, they have donated CC cameras for our security purpose. They have donated CC cameras. And Dr. Motilal Jadhav, Pratibha Hospital, they have donated 55 inches LED TV for our recreational purpose. And Dr. Rashid Ali sir donated office Almara. And Dr. Gopal Singh sir, on occasion of his birthday, they donated water cooler. Sorry, I forgot anything. So thank you very much for all the donors. Many of our members achieved various awards at individual capacities for rendering services to IMA Nizamabad. My sincere congratulations on behalf of IMA Nizamabad branch to everyone, their valuable contribution and service to society. As I close the annual report, I express my sincere gratitude to President Dr. Jeevan Rao sir and all the office bearers, entire EC and all my seniors and colleagues for wholehearted support and guidance during my tenure as Annual General Secretary of this prestigious branch. Thanking you all. Long live IMA Nizamabad branch. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everybody. Respected Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. E. Ravindra Reddy sir, Chairman PSMC, National IMA Vice President elect 2021-22. Respected Dr. S. Kavita Reddy Madam, Vice President elect 21-22, IMA Telangana. Respected IMA President, Secretary, Vice President, dear senior colleague, and my dear senior colleagues and senior doctors. It was indeed my honor to be as IMA treasurer for the past 2 years, and I have been very happy serving as a treasurer in the 2 years. There were many ups and downs in this period because of COVID-19, but as a team, we worked with the support of all. We worked together and achieved many more laurels as told by Dr. Vishal. So it was tough time during the pandemic, but with the support of various organizations, we achieved many laurels, and especially in educating in various fields in the society. It was indeed the hard work of all the team, including EC members and all. So the hard work of all of us are paid off in the form of various awards achieved in the state level as well as in the national levels. As we all know that in the game of chess, we notice that unless the soldiers front, they will move front, neither of the king or the queen can't move front. So it was collectively the hard work of everybody of us, the members, EC members, secretary, president, all. So regarding the funds collected, the copy of which is with everybody now. So it was a record collection for the first time in the history of IMA Nizamabad. In the year 2019 and 20, we actually collected more than 15 lakhs and the expenses were around 13 lakhs. So we could, the balance amount in the academic year 2019 and 20, it was 2,33,000. So the next academic year we start with the balance of 2,33,000 and we could collect around 25 lakhs in the last year. So the total expenses from this 24 lakhs 28,000, the expenses were 21 lakhs 52,000. So the balance by the end of the term is 2 lakhs 76,000. So we can say that in the last 2 years we could collect around 40 lakhs. So I think it needs a lot of applause for this. So in going in details, the most important thing was the receipts what we have now. Annual subscription fees we have collected around 7,68,000. Life membership fees was 1,63,000. So suicide prevention day we could collect 20,000. And NOGA Nizamabad has donated around 2 lakhs. ENT Association has donated 1 lakh. And Orthopedic Society has donated 2 lakhs to the IMA, and Dr. K. Surendra Reddy sir contributed 20,000 personally. So there are almost 19 members could submit their annual building fund, which was almost 3,80,000. So we could get money from election nomination for the year 2021 and around 22,250. Election nomination fees for 21-22 was around 10,000. And IMA hall rents we could collect 71,500, and CME sponsorship, because it was COVID time we couldn't do many CMEs, but we could collect 1,30,000. So payments done, more of the good things what we had done was the IMA hall remodeling and getting the generator and getting this various president photos and all those things. And so generator which costs around 6,38,000, and with the installation program and all we could spend another 80 to 90,000. And for this remodeling of the stage and all this electrification which is looking so beautiful, we have spent around 4 lakh rupees, 4,20,000 for this one. So we have done so many CME awareness programs in various fields, like in the field of psychiatry as well as pneumonia day, and we have done World Health Day, we have done World TB program, World Heart Day, and World Blood Donors Day, and we have done International Women's Day, and we have done International Women's Day also. So we have spent little amount for these things also. So overall we can say out of the collected amount of 24 lakhs 28,306, the total expenses were around 21 lakhs 52,123. So this term we are ending up with the balance of 2,76,183. So I would like to thank everybody for supporting us in doing so many of the programs, and I thank President, Secretary and the whole team for supporting us, and I thank everybody for being present today also. Thank you.
For 2020, so Dr. Jayaprakash sir is chairman and Srisharam sir general secretary at that time, and myself treasurer. So almost we have received almost 16 lakhs 13,916. So total with the opening balance and other receiving of amount, but the expenditure total IMA mini hall, that is sponsored by IAP of Nizamabad. So that acidification and remodeling and everything. So almost 5.5 lakhs it has almost we have expended that much, and IMA main hall. So almost air condition for 44 tons, that is 7.5 lakhs, and POP and other, so including everything, almost 19 lakhs expenditure. So remaining extra amount so spent by Dr. Jayaprakash sir, almost 3 lakhs 68,750. And that is, I think sir has mentioned that sir is sponsoring 6 lakhs for a hall. So I think deducting from that. So thank you one and all.
Thank you for the brief presentation. First resolution is, as per the evidence of state body, we are proposing to have a president elect post, because that post is there in state body and two of local branches, and in other associations also president elect post is there. It is there in our state body for smooth transition of power every year from one body to other bodies. So this year onwards, we are proposing to have a president elect post in our branch. Seconded by
ప్రపోజల్ అవసరం లేదు కదా, యాక్సెప్టెడ్ అది
email. Since our membership has gone up, and previously also we used to have 3 vice presidents. Now I propose that we have one more vice president name from this year onwards.
Proposed by
Yeah. So from this year we will be having third vice president also.
proposing to have a past finance course. As many past finance are here, we must take the advice of any important issue of our local branch. For that, I am proposing to form a past finance council in our branch.
This is a good idea, because all presidents have got many of the all those leaders are in the list. Please, because it's better to have you guide the and youngsters. They can give the advice. So that is there in the state. So better we have possible councils. I am proposing somebody to say it.
Various members regarding the criteria for eligibility of the post of president. At present, we are having the 15 years member of the local branch, vice president 12 years, general secretary 10 years. I am proposing the reduction in the number of the membership as follows from this year onwards. President post minimum of 12 years, vice president post minimum of 10 years, and general secretary minimum of 8 years. Any question? Is it okay?
President post age that is there run seniors problems I think. Please president post age ante unchu.
President is only because we are
Okay, president is 15 years, vice president 10 years, and general secretary 8 years.
Right, that's better.
Okay?
Yes, proposed by Kavita, seconded by Ramchandra.
Yeah.
Different. But main hall, it is spread out for all the members and it should not be named after anybody. This is a collective thing of all the groups who are from the beginning. So it should be like this only. I am proposing this.
So I am happy to
Sir,
past presidents, please come.
all boss
Swami,
Sir,
Raman sir, Kavalaya, Muttanna.
Uttama sir, Sir, Samigowd sir. Sir, sir. Sir. Sir, ready, Utta sir. Sir, Ramanrao sir. Sir, sir, ready. Sir, ready.
And State Vice President, National Vice President elect Ravindra Reddy garu, our branch President Jeevan Rao sir, Secretary Dr. Vishal, Vice President Dr. Rajesh, Treasurer Dr. Rashid Ali, and all my seniors and colleagues of the IMA branch Nizamabad. It is my prestige and privilege to be the election officer of the today's elections. As per the nominations which I have received, after the scrutiny, I declare Dr. K. Subhash sir, President of Nizamabad IMA branch for the year 21-22, he is elected unanimously. Congratulations, sir. I hope you take care of Nizamabad to the next level. President-elect 21-22, Dr. N. Ramchandra has been elected unanimously. Congratulations, Dr. Ramchandra. Vice President 1 is Dr. S. Shivaprasad. Unfortunately, he is not able to come today because he is suffering from high temperature since 3 days. So he is being elected as Vice President 1. And the treasurer is Dr. Harish Swami. I think he is on the way. He has gone to Hyderabad because his wife has been, she has got a post in the government medical college. So he has gone to Hyderabad. I think he is on the way. He will be arriving very shortly. Congratulate Dr. Harish Swami and Dr. DNS Swami on this year. And after the scrutiny, only one executive member is eligible, that is Dr. A. Rajesh. Congratulations, Dr. Rajesh. And all the other posts are on the floor nomination. Vice President 2, female. Vice President 3 are floor nominations. And Joint Secretary also floor nomination. Joint Secretary 1, 2, and the executive members. So now we will accept the floor nominations.
I am proposing Dr. Vishal second.
Dr. Farida Begum, proposed by Dr. Muttala sir and seconded by Dr. V. Rajesh. Congratulations, Dr. Farida. She is a very active lady. I hope Dr. Subhash sir will get lot of help from her for next year. Dr. Rashid Ali, Joint Secretary, proposed by Dr. Kiran and seconded by Dr. Jelia. Second nomination by Dr. Kiran. Proposed by Dr. Rashid Ali and seconded by Mother Rosa, second joint secretary. The important post of the day: General Secretary Dr. Jagat Tirupati Rao, proposed by Dr. K. Rajesh and seconded by Dr. Santosh Chittilaga. Congratulations, Dr. Tirupati. EC members: Dr. Rajendra Prasad, proposed by Dr. Satyanarayana sir and seconded by Dr. Kiran. Pulmonologist. Dr. Ganesh Shankar, executive member, proposed by Dr. JP and seconded by Dr. Satyanarayana. EC member Dr. Venkana T, proposed by Dr. Sanjeev Reddy and seconded by Dr. Rajesh. EC member KV Bhaskar Reddy, proposed by P. Kiran and seconded by Dr. Jacob. EC member Arjun Kumar, proposed by Dr. Naveen Kumar and seconded by Dr. Vinod Kumar Mukherjee. Executive member Dr. A. Gopal Singh, proposed by Dr. M. Sridhar and seconded by Dr. Ram. EC member Dr. V. Rajesh sir, proposed by Dr. Venkana and seconded by Dr. Vishnu. Congratulate all the President, the Vice President, the President-elect, the Vice Presidents, the Secretary, the Joint Secretary, Treasurer, and all the EC members. I hope you have a better and a more marvelous future for the 21-22 years under the leadership, dynamic leadership. Even Dr. Subhash is a silent leader. He does marvelous things. So I hope the next year also Nizamabad is in the state and in the national levels. Congratulations to all the members and thank you for giving me this opportunity today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I congratulate the outgoing body for their marvelous work they have done in the 2 years, the period of COVID pandemic. Even though we did not have many CMEs, but they have done a lot of social work and social services, and they have brought a good name to the Indian Medical Association in Nizamabad. And I welcome the new body, and I hope they go 2 steps ahead of the past body, bringing more officers. We are having a state conference on the 30th and 31st of this month. 30th is being a virtual CMEs by all, many international and national speakers. So you all can attend virtually. And 31st being the conference, main conference. I welcome all of you. Please join in large numbers. If many of you are coming, we can arrange a vehicle from Nizamabad. We can have a jolly trip. Okay? So many of you, please come. Please pay your delegate fees. Then you can pay, it's just 1,500 rupees. I think it's not a matter for most of us. Please, please try to join in large numbers.
One question, including transport. 1,500 including transport.
The transportation also will be included. And maybe in 2022, March. Around March, February, March, we will be having our zonal conference in Nizamabad. So, with all of your cooperation and under the leadership of Subhash sir as a chairperson for the conference, we must make it a grand success in par with the state conference. The zonal conference must be like a state conference. So I need all your cooperation and your blessings to make it a grand success. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Good evening and have a good dinner and fellowship.
Secretary, Dynamic Secretary and Dynamic Treasurer, Dr. Rashid Ali, Dr. Kavita Reddy, Vice President-elect, Rajesh, and my dear colleagues. First of all, I will thank Dr. Jeevan Rao, Rashid Ali and Dr. Vishal to nominate us as the building committee, me as the chairman of the building committee, Dr. Rajja, our dynamic pediatrician and Thana president as the secretary of the building committee. Treasurer is Dr. Ramneshwar. We will try to do the best for the sake of association. I am well versed with the building construction as the treasurer of the building committee for 4 years. Narayan Rao was the chairman. Vice chairman was Dr. Kaulaya, secretary junior Dr. Ravindra Reddy. Myself as the treasurer. With us, whatever the hiccups were there during construction, it will be bound to be there. We could able to overcome it, and we have come to this stage. Now, I congratulate Dr. Jayaprakash, the outgoing chairman, Dr. Srisailam, Dr. Tirupati Rao, who has worked very well for the much better work after they took over, and I congratulate them. I'll try to do along with Dr. Acha and Ramneshwar to the best. And Dr. Jeevan Rao and Dr. Rashid Ali and Dr. Vishal has done excellent work for procuring the generator. It's a high-end generator which is absolutely a need, which I told just 3 months only would get over. First of all, the need is to have a generator. So we had a very good generator. Then with the 4 lakhs, I think it is a very cinematic and a very gracious setup. Not only cinematic, it's a very gracious setup which was done very recently. And we'll try to do the kitchen work. And first of all, this is meant for our purpose. So there was some income generated during this time also. IMA hall rents 71,500 was generated. Minor, the functions like a sari function, birthday function, or any other functions in this hall. Chick parties are already, it's there, it's in. Chick parties, I think it is already there. It's already there. Chick parties are taking over in the pediatric IAP hall. That is already there. So with our colleague Dr. Subhash as the president now, and the president-elect Dr. Ramchandar, will formulate a committee how much is to be fixed for the functions, so that we will generate some income, and how best we will improve the kitchen work. That is the priority, and giving to the others is the second priority. Our own functions to our own people, if we start celebrating, the other people will come forward and celebrate. Now it is a very good hall now. You can prefer only our IMA hall. So I request all members to cooperate in this regard, and some dues list was there, as Dr. Jeevan Rao was telling me. So we will approach them. Those who have not given, we will approach them. I request those who have not given, please give their contribution to the IMA building, and with the help of everybody, with the involvement of everybody, we will try to uplift this IMA building.
మంచి సింగర్స్ అంతా కూడా మంచి లీడర్స్ ఇప్పటి వరకు ఎవరు కూడా ఎవరు పోల్ తీసుకున్నా ఎందుకంటే కాలేజ్ కానీ ఈ తర్వాత ఏం చేసిన కవిత వండర్ఫుల్ కవిత ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది అంటే కొత్త బ్యాచ్ కొత్త పీరియడ్ కవిత నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది తర్వాత జీవన్ ఇప్పుడు రాబోయే సుభాష్ అంటే ఇట్లా నేను అనేది ఏంటంటే మనకి ఏది జరిగినా ఐఎంఏనే కొట్లాడుతుంది, మనకి ఇంకెవరు లేరు. హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్లో ఇవన్నీ రెగ్యులర్గా అనకూడదు కానీ చాలా పనులు చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ పేరులో కూడా చాలా పనులేదు. కన్నుమరపురం గురించి కానీ, ఇంకా మిక్సోపతి గురించి కానీ, ఇప్పుడు బిల్డింగ్ కమిటీస్, ఎస్టీపీ, పొల్యూషన్ కంట్రోల్ బోర్డు, ప్రతిదానికి మన ఐఎంఏ ఫైట్ చేసింది కనుక యంగ్స్టర్ స్పెషల్లీ యూ కమ్ ఓవర్ ఇన్ నెంబర్. ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఎవరంటే అంతా వేరే యంగ్స్టర్సే ఉన్నారు. ఒక ప్రెసిడెంట్, సెక్రటరీ, ఒక ఇద్దరు తప్పితే ప్రెసిడెంట్, వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్, మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ యంగ్స్టర్సే. మీరు రావాలి ముంగటి. మాలాంటి సీనియర్స్ విల్ గైడ్ యూ, విల్ గైడ్ ద యంగ్స్టర్స్. You will take the, you should take the lead, and that is why secretary 10 years and 8 years చేసిండ్రు, వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ కూడా తగ్గించారు. కాకపోతే ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఒక్కరంటే ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఇప్పుడు కూడా కొద్దిగా సీనియర్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ అయిన somebody he should command respect from his colleagues, he should be familiar to his colleagues, he should be known to the colleagues, they should respect him by his popularity, by his contribution, by his practice or whatever. అది ప్రెసిడెంట్ అయిన కొన్ని అది ఉండాలి. అందుకొరకే రామచంద్ర రైట్లీ టోల్డ్ 15 years ఉండాలి పెడతారు, తప్పలేదు. మిగతా మాత్రం తగ్గించింది. ఎందుకంటే మేక్ యంగ్స్టర్స్ టు కమ్ ఇన్ టు ద దిస్ థింగ్ యాక్ట్ అండ్ దే షుడ్ గెట్ ఎలక్టెడ్. సో విత్ దిస్ ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ ఐ థ్యాంక్ జీవన్ రామ్ అండ్ ఎవరీవన్.
As president of this August association, I would like to do justice to my post with your cooperation, and I would like to thank Dr. Kavita Reddy Madam for chairing the session and declaring me as president. Thank you all.
So our mentor and senior Dr. Ravindra Reddy sir, Dr. Jeevan Rao sir, President Dr. Subhash sir, and Chief Election Officer Dr. Kavita Reddy ma'am, and Dr. Rajesh sir, Dr. Vishal, and Dr. Rashid bhai, and President-elect Dr. Ramchandra sir, and all the members. Thank you one and all. And everybody is telling only one thing as a General Secretary. So in time dinner, many people has mentioned to me. So if we start sharp 8:30 any program, we'll start by 8:30 sharp. So definitely before 10:30 we'll start the dinner. So if you come early, definitely we will send early. So thank you one and all.
Now I request
Ravindra Reddy sir, State Vice President Kavita Reddy, IMA President Jeevan Rao sir, my friends on the dais, ఇటువైపు అయితే దిగ్గజాలు ఉన్నారు, నమస్కారం. మా పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు అండ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఎలెక్టింగ్ మీ యాజ్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఎలెక్ట్. నేను ఒక్కటే చెప్పదలుచుకున్నాను, రామాయణం సీరియల్ తీసినప్పుడు దేశవ్యాప్తంగా అదొక పెద్ద సంచలనం. ఎంత సంచలనం అంటే ఆ టైంలో కరెంట్ పోతే ఆ ఏరియా సబ్స్టేషన్లు తగలబెట్టిన ఇన్స్టెన్సెస్ ఉంది. ఆ తర్వాత ఏమైందంటే బిఆర్ చోప్రా మహాభారతం సీరియల్ తీయడానికి వచ్చాడు. ఆయన ఒకటే అన్నాడు, రామానంద్ సాగర్ తీసిన సక్సెస్ లోపల నాకు 25% వస్తే చాలని అన్నాడు. ఆ తర్వాత ఎవ్రీవన్ నోస్ మహాభారత్ సీరియల్ వాజ్ ఎ బిగ్ సక్సెస్ దెన్ రామాయణం సీరియల్. నేను ఇక్కడ చెప్పదలుచుకుంది ఏంటంటే జీవన్ రావు విశాల్ చేసిన ఈ యాక్టివిటీస్లలో మేము ఇప్పుడు సుభాష్ కానీ ఇప్పుడు మనంతా కంబైన్ టీం అవుతుంది, మాకు అందులో 25% సక్సెస్ వచ్చినా సరిపోతుంది. వాల్యూమ్ బై వాల్యూమ్ ఈ నామినేషన్ కనుక ఎక్కడికి పంపించినా, స్టేట్ లెవెల్ పంపించినా, నేషనల్ లెవెల్ పంపించినా వీళ్ళకి బెస్ట్ చాప్టర్ అవార్డు ఇవ్వాల్సిందే. చాలా యాక్టివిటీ డిస్పైట్ రిస్కింగ్ టు దేర్ లైఫ్. పాండమిక్ లోపల అడుగు బయటకు వేయాలంటే భయపడ్డ పరిస్థితులలో వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ లైఫ్లో రిస్క్ చేశారు. ఐ హార్టీలీ కంగ్రాచులేట్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.